Na Vata wa Kuendeea Ukwata Mbau Kisomo cha Ecde ni Kana, Kunenge, Syana, Nini, Misingi, Milumu ya Kisomo, Vate, Kueka, Amanyiw'a, Kana, Syana, Misyini. Uni Kwianana na Jackson Ayemba ulani Ovisaa Munene wa Kisomo cha Ecde Nthini wa Kiliombunge cha Matungulu, Aineena Muamba na Ecde Syombua Muatha Ula Ungamiite uthukumi wa gavana wa kaunti ya Masakuku ya Matungulu Amanyiw'a itina wa kunyayicha liu kwa Amanyiw'a ma Ecde kwa ya Matungulu iseso yela maweta kana nonginya yitwaiwe na umelu Vate wanganganya na kupetanzika kati wa Asyai alama tailite kuiva kindu ona kimwe kukwata liu o boni mutesiani livota witu kuma Matungulu.
Dr. Jackson Yamenda limumaila Asyai sindika nila Syana asari maskulu nionde makaundi ya Masau Kuendeea na Ukwatiania na wikithika naoni wa Syana idhini wa ila yula Ukwata Mbau mwando lama nigani serikali ya kaundi ya Masau Kisomo cha Syana idhini ni
and effectiveness ndio wasaidie watoto wetu wasome, wafunze vizuri, watoto wasome wakikura, so that we can have a generation with the appropriate farm foundation in Matungulu West. I believe our teachers are working hard. We had the training the previous week, and we have taught them on the curriculum programs and the professional records on how to teach and how to handle the young one, how to handle the parents. They are well acquainted, or they have been founded with what they are supposed to do in the classroom and in the field. Kwa hivyo our teachers are working hard, and we believe those who are not doing better, we are just talking to them so that they can pull up their socks, so that they can get a very good foundation of education in Matungulu and Machakos County at large.
Ukwata Mbau njeni Muatha ulana kio kuwetaka na maskulu maingi maina Syana mbianu na wewe lwe sima tumevusoe na kutoa sana siwa maskulu na Makwate Kisomo cha Syana Nini dhewa Syana mbingi ya nangi ya vinda Misyini na kuvetu kwa miaka ya masomo
na Asyai yala mena Syana Nini ona kai muika musinzite maskulu maingi maina Syana laiki kasebe nasari withi ayena Syana itano na ni sukulu ya village ina jazi ai masinzita ndiyo kengana indi nasi ali mundu la wonde wina Kana gavana waitu athetia kibila aisie akenda na kilazi kita wa wabina baby care na wabina baby care nuetie thia aete mboso na aete musele we musia ichaku ni kukua kana otwa skulu we siosa kabonie.
So we urge the parents that they have to focus this CPC education program inataka walimu the teachers who are trained, and it is only in the public where we have trained teachers. Our ACT teachers have gone to school appropriately. Most of them they are graduates, wengi wako na diploma, so wamesoma and they have the enough knowledge to handle the young one.
Iseso ya kunyayicha liu na iya Syana Nini Nthini wa Kiliombunge cha Matungulu mawetakana yitwaiwa na Milumu ingi na kuveya nzakithaka kana vethitwa na wanganganya na ulusani ulo unyayicha wa liu yu wengi maongela kana unengani tunawena Nthini wa isio sionthe kana wondi sionthe sia Kiliombunge cha Matungulu
thina ulusani nundu muthenya lelo lithinoka thina twithiie bani tunakunewe simu na twoka twina admini twoka twina coordinator wa sub county admin wa Ecde na twoka na maward admin na ma coordinator ma Ecde ma kila ward tunoka tuna receive leu na tuna assign na tunatia obisi wa bingwa no munthi wa bingwa twibo na twamba ukoniva muleu utanamba ukwatwa twethi ya leu nondo tunatie twekata nondo leu tunatie twapaki na twaania na umwe na Kwianana nondo wodi yani Syana ndo skulu yani Syana twaania twepo ithio nthe na twewania kiuni kinaende cha ati Asyai ni mekwitwa Mbau na otondo wisi bai mwalimu waile kumya mbesa siake aibeka mota katwa Syana ya na leu ela tunayethiwe ni thinosu nye nina sub county admin ni tunasoveiye nundu tunaisie kamota kauka supply yani ithu tukeke ya mauta withie bai Musyai wetwa silingi 10 o dilasi u transfer si u distribute waleu no thi na cheleni na gavana waitu nuna atunengie tukutuku ino yunje ba tukutuku ene ya kusupply leu ikatwa ya andu wodini ko ni kana mwalimu usu kana ICD coordinator ete alimu make moki amaanie liu nesa na GDO eithi wabo na ward admin eithi wabo.
Hiyo yote tumepeana as per the ratio of number of children. Kwa hivyo kila mtoto tumemshughulikia, tumepeana equally without any biasness. Kwa hivyo watoto wa mama watafurahi kukula na ukunywa maziwa.
Kaundini ya Masaku nyeni Toboni Mutesia.